Hello, everyone. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about working with modules in TypeScript. So now, my friends, you know that up until now, we've created structures such as class and interface. We've extended or implemented them to different classes, or we created objects from these classes. And as you can see here, generally we worked on different files. And I might want to use the class structure we created and in these different files. So in other words, I may want to use structures such as this class interface, not only within the same file, but also within different files. You get what I mean? So here, in order to use this class in different locations in different environments, I'm going to have to export this class. So now I'll create a new TS file for this class. And I'm creating modules.ts file in 1. So as I move the class here into this file, I can access it from outside this class. So I write export at the beginning. And now we can use this class in a different file that we want to. And thanks to the export keyword, we're able to use it outside of this file. So yeah, let's have a look at it. So when you look at it, you can see a simple example here. But the important thing is that you understand the logic, because we're going to want to use several different features in several different classes in this way throughout the course. So I want you to be able to use this without having any trouble, all right? So now we're going to use this exported class in the other file. So for this, I'll just open this file and write import. Then write the class name that we'll use and from. And because these two files are in the same directory, writing / and the file name we're going to get. Right. So that's it. It's simple logic. That'll be enough for now, because we're going to use this a lot throughout our course. Are you exhausted? Because we have exhausted the TypeScript topics. Of course, we didn't go into depth with every single lesson, but we talked about everything that you're going to need to know. So if you want to go into more detail, you can always check out the TypeScript handbook. But pretty much I showed you all the necessary information for our course, and we're going to be able to continue throughout this course because this is all you need to know for Angular. So when you're ready, I have a little bit of a review if you need to, but I think you're ready. In the next section, we're going to get into the introduction of Angular. All right, so see you in the next lesson.